Good morning. Today is March 13th, 2025. I am done trading for today. I'm going to go over what I took today. So, just to get into it, I took a a gold support today. This white line shows my support area. I entered on the 8:35 candle, so I waited after news. We had news at 8:30 and I had entered at 8:35, but it got me in a bit late. I wanted to enter right here, but it entered me right there. And I had my stop loss placed right here, so it was a 4.7 stop loss, which wasn't too bad. I only risked one contract on this trade because the stop loss wasn't that small. And if I was going to risk two contracts, I was going to lose about like $80 on this trade. And even though I did like this setup and I did trust my bias on this setup, I just felt like it was just too much for me to risk right now. And it was early too because it was only 5 minutes after news, and I just was like, okay, I'm gonna be okay with losing at least like $50 on this trade. So I only put in one contract, and then I entered, and then it was in profit a bit, but it kept wicking down. Like the wicks on this trade was just not cute at all. You can see these wicks just going down, and I was like, that is not a good sign. And also on the 1 minute, we were kind of sideways once I was in this trade. So I marked up this little box right here because we had this 1 minute demand. So I was thinking that price was just coming down to tap this demand and then to go back up, and it did do that for a bit. It did that and it went up a little bit, but it just came down, so and touched my stop loss. On the 15 minute, while I was in this trade, I remember I liked how the 15 minute looked because the price was rejecting off the 13 EMA, which is the pink line, and it looked good. It was like rejecting from it, so I felt confident in taking it. The 1 hour looked very bullish. I liked how it looked. The 4 hour looked good too. We overall overall we looked like just bullish the whole higher time frame. The 1 minute looked good. The daily looked good because we had a green candle. And yeah, I trusted this setup, but it lost. I feel like it could, I don't know what could happen, but I feel like it could just keep pushing up for the rest of the day and just, of course, take out liquidity like it did and then just push back up. But that is it. That's all I took today. This is my first trade of the week. I did not trade Monday or Tuesday because there was nothing presented for me to take those 2 days, and I don't ever trade Wednesdays. So today's Thursday, today was the first setup of the week, and it was an L, but that's okay. Tomorrow is a new day. Next week is a new week, and I am still going to show up no matter what. This was a 48, I think I already said this, but this was only a $48 loss with 32 cents, which isn't bad. I'm okay with that. I'm more okay with that than losing like $80, $90 on this trade. Yeah, so one of my goals for this month and for next month, mostly next month, I think this month I'm gonna kind of still take it the way I am taking it, but next month I am going to want to up my contract sizes. I usually only ever put one contract or two contracts. It's really rare for me to put two contracts, but I usually always just put one. But I do want to be consistently with putting two contracts on beautiful setups. Like on this setup, I would have taken it another day. Like if this presented to me another day, I would still take it because it's there, it looks good, price looked good, but this will happen. It's a bug in here. Anyways, yeah, so my goal is to definitely up my contract sizes and leave runners. Like I really want to start leaving runners so that can help me when I lose. It's like I'm still in the green, for holding runners, because I feel like to be a profitable trader, you need to be holding a bit more. You can't just be going for 101s. You know, 102s are good, but 101s constantly is like, okay, it's going to be hard to get out of the break even stage and get to the profitability stage. So I do know that a goal of mine is to do that. Maybe starting this month and next month and for the rest of the year until, of course, I don't know. But yeah, and what else? Tomorrow, yeah, it's Friday, last day of the week. This week went by so, well, for trading, this week went by really fast. I'm not gonna lie. I remember it being Sunday and was like, oh, I can't wait to like go on the charts the next day. And now we're going back to like, we're about to be to Friday. We're about to hit Friday. Every time the weekend comes, I'm always really just waiting for Monday to come. I feel like a lot of traders feel the same way. Like I know I hear about it all the time and it's true. Like you just, for me, that's how I feel. But that is it for today. I'm going to go now because I want to get my day started. But hopefully you guys made some money today and just this whole week. And if not, that's okay because we have a whole new day tomorrow and a whole new week and just the rest of the month to catch some good setups. Yeah, take care, guys. Gold is just shooting up now. Like, of course. But I will see you guys tomorrow, hopefully, if I trade. Also, I haven't been uploading a lot just because I really haven't taken any trades. And I only upload if I take a trade. So, yeah, so if it's just the way I'm gonna start doing these. Like, I'm not really a person to post every day, but if I take a trade, I will update you guys and I will do it for my journey too, though, like my progress, because I enjoy recording myself during my trades or even after my trades when I'm done. So in the future, I can come back to these videos and just see myself being such a baby in this, like being a Heidi little baby in trading. And you know, I'm still so new to like a lot of trading stuff. And you know, I've only been live trading for 2 years. Like, that's not a long time. Like, I've been learning how to trade for 3 years, and then it took me like a year to understand and learn and open up a live account and see what I wanted and what pairs to trade. And then I've only been live trading for 2 years. So, yeah, that's not a long time. Also, I think this year it made 3 years. No, sorry, it made 2 years of me live trading this year. So yeah, next year will be 3. But wow, gold. This is so crazy. But this is gonna happen. Like these things are gonna happen. But okay, I'm done. I'm done yapping. I hope you guys have a good day. Bye.